Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a healthy vegetable soup, very tasty and very healthy. Let's see what are the ingredients I'm going to use today. Now you can see I have cut all the vegetables, cabbage, carrot leeks and beans, radish, as well as we need onion, garlic, pandan leaves. Preheat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When it gets heat, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste and let it turn into golden brown color. Now I'm going to add cumin seeds, let it temper. Smelling good. In the meantime, I'm going to add the tomato, chopped onion. I have taken 2 green chilies and curry leaves, pandan leaves together and we'll mix it. After tempering, I'm going to add the vegetables except okra and leeks to the pan one by one. time to add the okra to this. You can see the colors of the vegetable have not changed. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Let's cook for 10 minutes. When it starts to boil, you can switch off the stove, put some celery leaves, healthy vegetable soup is ready. If you like, you can add pepper powder to this. I'm going to have soup with roasted bread. Hope you guys like too. Just dip the bread and taste it. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoy